Backyard Herb Gardening: How to Grow Herbs from Your Backyard and Use It for Everyday Life by HowExpert with Deborah Harding. Herbs are some of the most versatile plants in the world. They grow in the worst type of soil, are drought tolerant, and require very little maintenance. Use them to flavor all kinds of food, make skin and hair care products of your own, enhance your vegetable garden, cure common ailments, clean your home, and make it smell wonderful. It sounds almost too good to be true, but this book will give you the inside story on how to use these wonderful plants and save money, along with keeping harmful chemicals away from your home, children, pets, and yourself. About the expert. Deborah C. Harding watched and helped her mom and dad in an extensive garden and learned all about using herbs from her grandmother. She and her late husband grew over 250 varieties of herbs, vegetables, and flowers in their tiny city lot, and proved that gardening with herbs can be addicting, but it is a good addiction. She supplied the neighborhood with herbs for cooking, curing, scenting, cleaning, and more. She currently resides in northeastern Ohio and has become a teacher to her 2 grown daughters, a grandson, and anyone else who wants to learn about herbs. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides in unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.